Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to install TikTok on your TCL Google TV. As you can see here, this is my TCL Google TV. And what I'm going to do from here is if we go up, we're going to search and I'm going to show you that it's not locally available. So if I search TikTok, it's not going to appear. So if I go to TikTok, this is a TCL Google TV, as I said.
Results for TikTok.
Alright, so I search for TikTok. Notice it only gives these apps. There's no TikTok available. Show the options. Alright, so I could even try to make sure I spell it correctly. So let me go back. So that's tick. Talk. Just to show it's not available in the Google TV Play Store. Alright, so you see it's not there. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do it in terms of how to install it. So we're going to install it from an APK file. An APK file is an Android file format. So in order to get these, I'll show you where I get them. Alright, so this is the website. I'm not affiliated. It's called apkpure.com. You can install .apk files. Make sure it's an APK file. You're going to download it. You're going to load it onto your flash drive. Then you're going to connect the flash drive to the TCL Google TV. Here's my flash drive at the back of the TV. It is connected to the USB port on the TCL TV. Alright guys, so you're going to browse to the file that's stored on the flash drive. You can actually use the file explorer through the media player, or of course I have downloaded this app. You can Alright guys, so you can use the built-in media player or browse to the file, but for me I have a separate app. You can download this that's in the area I showed before. You can search for FX File Explorer. It's more refined in terms of to browse. So there are many ways to get to the flash drive. I'm just using this method, so just keep that in mind. So you see it says USB storage here. This is FX File Explorer, and I've downloaded all the files that I have. It's into a single folder. The folder itself, it's called a APK folder. If I can find it, there you go, APK files. That's what I chose to name it when I placed it on the laptop. So APK files. And right away guys, because these are APK files, I have downloaded a few of them from that website. As I said, I'm not affiliated. Alright, so we're gonna install TikTok, which is not available, as you can see it over there. So I'm gonna browse, and of course make sure unknown sources is enabled on your TV. I have a separate video on that. So we're gonna select, and notice it says unknown. If you do not enable unknown applications, you will have issues. APK files are the original file installers, and because this is Google TV, which is basically Android based TV, it says it's starting up the app and it's doing its thing. Now of course, with all of these files, make sure that you know I'm not responsible for anything that you download online. And of course it says for your security, the phone is not allowed to install unknown apps. So right away I'm going to show you how to do this through File Explorer. So we're going to go to settings, and there we go. It takes you to the unknown apps, and of course here we go. It says install unknown apps, and we're going to enable this, and it says through FX, which is the app. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on to make sure that I can install unknown apps through here. I'm going to go back. All right, we're going to go back to FX, and we might have to do this again. All right, so we'll have to do it back over, seeing that the process did not complete. So I'm gonna go TikTok again. I'm skip out sections of this, or just to show you that it works. I might not skip anything at all to show you that I'm not messing with the process. All All right, so it's staging the app, or basically preparing the app. All right, and there you go. It says, do you want to install the application? Notice, unlike before, it doesn't ask about unknown sources because I have enabled that. So we're gonna hit install. All right, it's installing. Now by default, it's not made available, but as we said, we have the APK file, which is basically the installer that we download the online. It must be a .apk file. And as you can see, this is my TCL TV. All right, so it's finishing up. All right. All right, guys, so as you can see here, it says app installed. It took a little while. Don't worry if it hangs a bit, just give it the time. So I'm gonna hit done. All right, so we're gonna exit the device here, and the app should show up around here. See if we see it. All right, so I did not see the app, so we'll have to actually find it. Give me a second to find it. All right, guys, so if you notice, you're not seeing the app, but if you know your way around the Google TV system or Android system, it is actually here. We'll have to go and find it. It's not showing up, but it's easy. Go to your quick settings, go into all settings. From here, go down to apps. Then you'll see some of the apps. See all apps to make sure you're seeing all the apps. And if you look through here, guys, there you go, TikTok. So it's actually installed. Simply go here and hit open. I might have to pause this. All right, so you can see it's loading. Give it some time. I'm not going to show you any videos. I'm simply going to show you to the point of launch. All right. All right, so as you can see, it's up. Videos to make your day, and you get the idea here. And let's give it a little time. It might be a little bit buggy because remember, it was built for a phone and not directly for this device, but it should work and you should be able to get it to do what you want. All right, so here you go. It's basically bringing you to the login portal, and of course you can see it does work. It might be a little bit buggy, but of course you might be able to find a version that works, so you can always mess around until you get it to work like how you want. So just simply go ahead and play around with it until you actually get it to do what you want it to do. All right, guys, I'm in the tutorial here. Hope this was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.